Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
If your iPad screen flickers, freezes, or shows vertical lines, begin diagnosis now. Take note of when the glitch started and what app was active. Check battery level and ensure it is above 20% before deeper steps. Close all apps by swiping up from the bottom and pausing in the middle of the screen. Then perform a force restart by holding the top button and volume down button together for 10 seconds. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears, and then observe for a stable display. Start with software fixes before hardware troubleshooting to save time and risk. Update iPad OS via Settings, General, Software Update to the latest available release. Free at least 10% of storage space by removing large apps, photos, or videos to improve performance. Back up your iPad to iCloud or a computer before any reinstall. Charge the iPad for 30 minutes with an original Lightning or USB-C cable, and ensure battery level exceeds 50% before attempting a full restore. Inspect the physical screen closely for cracks or lifted edges greater than 3.5 mm. Remove any screen protector or obstructive case and gently clean the glass with a dry microfiber cloth. If touch is unresponsive or the display artifacts continue, back up your data and prepare for a DFU restore using a computer. Connect with the original cable, open Finder or iTunes, and follow DFU mode instructions carefully. If the screen still glitches after these steps, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.